Hey everyone, Alex Mustang Garage again. Just continuing on our 66 Mustang project here, getting this engine back together. So the last video we did, we put the oil pump on, and since then we've put the oil pan back on. And so what we're going to do today is install our harmonic balancer. So here's our original balancer assembly. One thing that I like to make sure I do is I make sure the shaft here is cleaned out very good, because you're going to be installing this into a new crankshaft seal here on the timing cover. So I like to make sure this is really clean. You can clean these up with some fine grit 200 plus sandpaper or some emery cloth. Works pretty good as well, so get all that good and clean. So the other thing I do before I install these is put some oil on it, get it well lubricated. You can also use petroleum jelly as well. So we're going to do that just so it's not dry going into that crankshaft seal. I did put oil on that crank seal when we installed the timing cover, so it should be good, but I don't like to gamble with things very often. So another thing, this is keyed, so there's only one way it can go on. So it is keyed, and you can kind of slide it into place, and it just kind of goes in. That's pretty much all there is to that. And then got my bolt and my washer, which I make sure I clean these up very well. And I install these with the bolt and the washer. So if you just kind of slowly do this by hand, it'll just kind of slowly kind of press it on. And if it feels like it's binding or something like that, then there's an issue. So it should go on fairly easily. You'll notice that once you get pretty close, it'll just start to turn the engine. So what I've done is I've installed a holding device on the flywheel to prevent the engine from turning over. So okay, so now the bolt is now starting to tighten, and the harmonic balancer is fully installed. So the next thing to do would be to torque that sucker to spec. So it looks like the torque spec on this is 70 to 90 foot-pounds. So I'm going to go right in the middle at 80 foot-pounds. And there she is. Okay, so now that our balancer is on, we can install the pulley. This is just using a single belt pulley on here. So it just has the 3 holes, and just line them suckers up. Put our bolts in. I like to get them all started first. I don't just crank one down and call it good. You got to get them all started. Okay, and that concludes our harmonic balancer and pulley setup here on the 66 289. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future classic Mustang content. Thank you.